Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's just launch activate our SIM card, and now we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the security section. After that, scroll a little bit more down and you'll see here SIM card lock. Tap here once and here you'll see lock SIM card switcher. Just to remove SIM pin from your SIM card, you should click here once on the switcher, and now we should enter our currently pin code. If you want, in my case that's from 1 to 4, you should enter your pin code. After that, just tap here to OK. Now we can see the message that SIM pin is disabled successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.